Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how someone can pay into your Revolut account. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of keeping your Revolut account secure. Revolut is a great service, but it's important to be aware of the risks associated with using it. One of the best ways to protect yourself is to use a strong password and to enable two-factor authentication. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. There are a few different ways that someone can pay into your Revolut account. The easiest way is to use the Revolut app. Here's how to do it. Open the Revolut app. Tap on the Cards tab. Tap on the Add Card button. Enter the card details of the person who wants to pay into your account. Tap on the Add button. The person will then be able to add money to your account using their card. Another way to pay into your Revolut account is to use bank transfer. Here's how to do it. Open the Revolut app. Tap on the Wallet tab. Tap on the Add Money button. Select bank transfer as the payment method. Enter the bank details of the person who wants to pay into your account. Tap on the Add button. The person will then be able to transfer money to your account using their bank. Once the money has been transferred to your account, you can use it to make purchases, withdraw cash, or send money to other people. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Until next time, take care.